Okay.
Like party jollof.
And we cooked it at home, right?
Yes, smoky party jollof.
Correct.
Very smoky.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Toy Tomato. If this is your first time here, please subscribe. This is another jollof rice tutorial, but like in small quantity, right? I'm going to show you guys how you can just whip up something for Sunday. See, I'm sweating. I've been cooking jollof rice since it's done now. I just want to fry plantain, take pictures, and then we eat. Go chop them.
Chop them.
My sister is behind the camera. Let's get into the video, guys. You guys, I have a full recipe on my channel on jollof rice in large quantity. This jollof rice recipe is for a smaller quantity. If you're cooking jollof rice at home and you still want to have that feel of like you're eating party jollof, this is the video for you to watch. I'm just going to be showing you guys step by step. It's very straightforward. I like to use Derica tomato paste or Gino in Lagos, but if I'm cooking larger, I like to use Sarah. Now I'm going to fry the tomato paste to the point where the tomato paste goes from being sour to being sweet. It's very possible if you're patient with frying your tomato paste. You keep stirring and stirring and stirring until it's very fried. The essence of stirring and stirring is just to make sure that it doesn't burn. Just keep stirring, and when you fry your tomato paste, you guys, if your tomato paste is not tangy, you're going to have an amazing jollof rice. Another tip or thing is that ensure that your pepper mixture is right. I don't know, whatever measurement you want to use, just make sure that you use red bell peppers. If you don't have access to red bell peppers, make sure that the tomatoes you're using, they are those ripe red ones, if you know what I mean. Those are the things, honestly, that will make your jollof rice nice. Another tip that I always use is also adding a little bit of crayfish seasoning with chicken seasoning, like you can see in the video. You simply add it to the tomato paste and the pepper that you fried. You let it fry for a bit, and after that you add your chicken stock. In my chicken stock, I have my ginger, garlic, nutmeg, my bay leaf, and I sieved it before adding it. I don't like adding it directly to my pepper base for jollof rice. That's just my personal preference. After doing that, you simply add your washed rice. As simple as ABC. You don't add too much water. Just let it cook. Just the water should be like a little bit above the rice. Let it cook, and that's it, guys. Very easy. This is a very short and concise video. If you follow these steps and your jollof rice game is not bad, like a good bad, come back to me because you're doing something wrong. Hi, Tolu.
Hi.
I want you to eat the food and let them know how it actually tastes. Live review, okay? Let's see the food. Please take the food to the camera. Let's see. Okay. Don't pretend. Be honest. Yeah, be honest. Now, how does it taste?
First of all, it's not too hard and it's not too soft. It's
just
very chewy.
Oh, perfect texture. Thank you.
Yes.
I like that word, chewy.
It's like party jollof.
And we cooked it at home, right?
Yes, smoky party jollof.
Correct.
Very smoky.
Thank you. Yeah. The chicken, the plantain. I mean, just enjoy your food, enjoy your delicacy.
I cannot eat chicken on on live camera. I'll give you a full review when I'm done eating, don't worry.
Okay. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Tell my people to subscribe, please.
Please subscribe and share, like and comment.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.